Today we will dive deeper into the craziness of human personalities with idioms. Ready? Let's jump right in. You know, আমাদের আশেপাশে we have many big mouths. A big mouth is a person who talks too much and cannot keep a secret. এরা বলবে, I promise I won't tell this to anyone. কিন্তু 5 মিনিটের মধ্যেই সবার ফোনে breaking news. But opposite to this big mouth are the tight-lipped. These folks are very secretive. কাউকে কোনো কথা বলে না, tight-lipped. ঠোঁটটা একদম আটকে রাখে, মুখ থেকে কোনো কথা বেরোয় না. My friend is tight-lipped. She never shares any secret with me. Next one is busybody. Busybody is a person who always pokes nose on everyone's matters. They know everything about everyone. Imagine koro kono ek auntie who knows who went where, with whom and what they ate, কার সাথে কোথায় গেছে, কি খেয়েছে, everything. আন্টির ছবি কি তোমাদের চোখের সামনে চলে এসছে? তাই তো? তাহলে সেই একজন busybody.